Okay. So today, my name is Vibhas Agarwal. I'm from Supex Adhesives. Today we discuss about a neutral plus silicone sealant, which is so very popular. So firstly, why neutral cure silicone sealant is required when already GP silicone sealant is used in a big way in India? GP is cheap, it is easily available, and the bonding is very good. Then why still people change to neutral cure? So if you compare with the GP acetoxy silicone sealant, then the acetoxy or a GP silicone has a strong pungent smell. If you apply it in a closed room, it's difficult even to breathe because of the strong smell. If it is in contact with metals, it is corrosive in nature. It will rust and degrade the metals. Third is that it is not sensor safe. If there are electronic sensors around, it will go and make the sensors incapable of functioning. So they're not sensor safe. So because of these three big reasons, people have shifted to neutral cure silicone sealants. Now, what is a silicone sealant? What is the curing mechanism? A silicone sealant or a RTV, room temperature vulcanizing sealant, this is also a name of a silicone sealant. It is in paste form or a semi-liquid form. It absorbs moisture from the surface where you apply the sealant, and then a reaction happens and it reacts to become a solid, which is kind of a rubber, which is flexible, it's got good bonding strength, and then it releases a byproduct. A gas is released. Now based on what the byproduct is released, we qualify the silicone sealant, what category of family it is. So a normal GP silicone, acetoxy silicone, as a byproduct, acetic acid comes out. So that's the reason that it is so pungent in smell. This acetic acid is corrosive to metals, not sensor safe, and it's got good smell, a very high smell. Second is oxime, which is the neutral silicone sealant. The neutral silicone sealant, this is very, very less smelly. In fact, there is literally no smell. It is very good behavior with metals. It doesn't corrode them. It is sensor safe. And there are some grades of oxime cure silicone sealants which are oil resistant, water resistant, lubricating oil resistant. They can withstand very high temperatures. So depending on the application, you formulate the product. But this is a very, very popular category coming up, oxime. Third is alcohol cure. It is also called alkoxy sealant. And this is generally used in electronic applications because it is absolutely, there's no acid in it. It is alcohol cure. Right? Now coming to the uses, the general uses of neutral silicone sealant is general bonding and sealing, mirror bonding, clean room panel sealing. Clean rooms have become very popular. They are used in pharma industry, solar industry, food industry, and the panels, the gap between panels are sealed with the sealant. So, very, very cost conscious people would still prefer a GP silicone, which is acetic cure, but it is not recommended at all. Generally, a neutral cure silicone should be used. Then for glazing, typically you have the glass facades, where for waterproofing and sealing the joints between glasses, this is used. It is also used for bonding glasses, and it's got various industrial uses, including flange sealing, engine sealing, transmission sealing, high temperature sealing. So there are various applications of this product. Now coming to the colors, this is very interesting. Like in a clean room, the normal silicones, normal neutral silicones come in white, black, and clear. And also some customers want special colors called RAL color. So this is RAL 9010. So we have the RAL color as you want, the way you want. The color number that you want, we can give you that RAL color, 9002, RAL 9002. Okay, so this is the Supex Neutral Silicone Sealant. Now, why Supex? The reasons are like anyone would say. Number one, that our quality is very good. The flexibility and the bond strength, elasticity and the strength, both are very good. Second, that the shelf life is reasonably good. At least it is more than 12 months. Third, the product is generally available. For that, because of our technical ability, we are able to guide the customer and explain how to use it and where to use it and where not to use it. And fifth is the honesty by which we work. We provide technical support, on-time replies, regular product availability, and the technical ability to solve your problems. That becomes our USP. Thank you so much.